Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. Natural search constitutes a substantial portion of a website's effectiveness for the majority of businesses. It serves as a pivotal element within the buyer journey, playing a crucial role in guiding users towards finalizing conversions or engaging with content. In the realm of marketing awareness, it's common knowledge that Google holds a significantly greater share of search domain to its counterparts such as Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and a myriad of additional platforms. This isn't to suggest that other search engines lack influence on a brand's visibility. They certainly contribute. However, Google commands a substantial share of the overall search landscape. Nonetheless, it stands out as the unequivocal front runner, underscoring the significance of adhering to its guidelines. Yet, the remaining segment of the market, which is under the purview of alternate engines, holds its own value for brands. This holds particularly true for niche verticals, where voice, visual, and specialized search engines assume pivotal roles. Google, recognized as the world's most frequented website, currently holds the title of the global leader in email provision, boasting an excess of 1 billion users. Notably, YouTube stands as the second largest search platform, with over 2 billion individuals accessing it at least once a month. It's widely acknowledged that a substantial majority of internet users worldwide engage with Google daily for information retrieval. Earning a conspicuous presence as a reliable authority on Google and other search engines invariably garners advantages for a brand. Skillful SEO and a top-tier website propel brands in that direction. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.